Now family and I are going out to dinner. Paige, Alan, Dad, say we're recording, and Mom, don't. Remy's also coming, not.
Paige, you need to steal some silverware off of that table because you don't have
Cherry. Boom. Alright guys, so I'm guessing Dad got new carpet so we get to check it out. We're surrounded. Looks good. Boo. Alright guys, as you can tell, we've been trying to redo the house a little bit. My room is messy right now, but yeah, I redid my room a little bit. I guess it's running on thing today. Oh, the past few months. Yeah. Stay. Stay. Remy, go home. Go home. Go home. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Alright guys, YouTube people, this is what it looks like. That's butt. That's big butts in my way. There's Remy. Remy, you like the carpet? You like the new carpet?
Better not put a fucking hole in this one.
You like the new carpet? Do you? Tell me. He likes it. It's tan. Do you like the new carpet? Okay. I don't know. Remington. Remington. Hi. Remy doesn't want me to vlog today. It's been those days. It's, as you can tell, 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, getting there. Yeah, so. Here's what's up. So it's Tuesday, the next. No, not Tuesday. It's the next day after done. We all did the carpet. That was Tuesday. It is actually Wednesday today. So, walking to Target because I feel like it, and I want to show you something very amazing. And I just saw this. It looks so cool, actually. On your phone. So, yeah. And I'm getting ready for bed. So is this dude. Remy, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Screw you. Good morning, guys. So right now we are getting the couches basically out of the living room so I can show you that. I'm using the camera because my phone's full of another video that I did last night. Okay guys, so actually right now editing the video from last night. So you guys want to check that out. I did the Japanese candy thing, which we're going to continue that to another, like a series, trying all different kinds of countries' candy. So, yeah, I'll do that, and I just got a text.
What was shocking to me was his whole attitude. It was like,
I don't know what that was. It wasn't a text. Anyways, living room is pretty much empty for the most part, but these rooms. But I'm gonna get the new furniture. I'm actually gonna go get Mom's senior picture, well, Paige's. So see you guys then. Oh, Remington. Yeah, I know. Things are happening today. Nope. No. So we're getting the couch in, starting to get it in. There's Paige sitting at the window, which you can't see. There's Remy, who is barking like crazy because he wants to be out. Oh my! I wouldn't do that if I were you. Remy, you'll see. You'll see. You get to see new couches. Yeah, new couches. There's our senior pictures. Huh? Real. That's what it looks like. But it might not say like this. There's Paige. What's up?
No. But yes.
No, but yes.
Remy too.
That's good enough for me. I'll be right by your side, so will everyone else here.
Okay guys, so the next goal is to not redo the room, my bedroom, but clean, basically try to figure out if I want to do something different. I'm probably not gonna do it because this is how I pictured it one time, is my bed over here in this corner. This stand over here, but it doesn't fit. I've done it. Put the chair back here in this corner, which then my bad idea. Where does the desk go? So that would go right here probably. I think it fits. Everything fits, it just doesn't fit on this wall. So dream room not happening, but how else can you do it? Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you pretty much the finished living room. Showing you basically everything. So don't know if I showed you, but here's the couch. If you know our living room setup before, you'll know it's pretty much the same. New couch. Dad just got this. Stuff. Same TV stand. Pretty much that, but I put our pages of my senior picture up here. If you want to know where we got these furnitures, not sponsored to say this or anything, just saying. By the way, here's a rocket chair. We've had that was over here. Remy's toys, which are now in a basket. Hopefully, this dog keeps his toys put away. Give me kisses. Anyway, we got it at Bob's Discount Furniture. So yeah, Bob's Discount Furniture. That's where we got the furniture. That's also where Mom and Dad got their mattress. So I'm walking too far because I'm talking to the camera. That's where I got my tree. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, hope you guys liked the furniture tour, and see you guys then. Dad can't decide. I like this one though. So I'm going to my new dresser, but hasn't happened yet. Hey, good morning, guys. It's the next morning after putting the furniture in. So fun and great, but it is done, as you guys see, and yeah, so let's enjoy it. You can't do great things, do small things in a great way. So right now at this point, I'm actually cleaning my room, so you guys are seeing that, but no.